Learning window. In both the sets of sentences above, the naming words Shalini, Sam, I and Suraj have been replaced by the words she and we. Sometimes a different word is used in place of a naming word. Read these sentences. 1. Asha takes the bus to reach college. She reaches there on time. 2. Mukesh wants to eat an ice cream. He likes it very much. Here the words she and he have been used in place of Asha and Mukesh. Now read this sentence. Nikhil, Mona and Riya are cousins. They live in a joint family. Here the word they has been used in place of Nikhil, Mona and Riya. I, we, you, they, he, she, it are words that can be used in place of naming words. They are called pronouns.